Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that KGST token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, KGST is a sovereign stable coin issued by the government of Kazakhstan, designed as a digital version of its national currency, modernize finance and enable efficient digital payments. Government issued digital currency KGST is a fully backed 1:1 SOM packed stablecoin launched as a strategic national initiative built for efficiency and inclusion. It leverages the BNB chain to facilitate fast, low-cost cross-border payments and promote financial access. Part of a broader digital strategy, the token operates within a clear regulatory framework and complements Kazakhstan Central Bank Digital CBDC development. KGST token total supply is 546.39 million and circulating supply is also 546.39 million KGST token. KGST token is listed on Binance, STX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project 85% chances that it is a lazy token. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances that it is a lazy to good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.